Have you ever pondered upon the idea that the technology we create could potentially surpass us and become a threat? A chilling thought, isn't it? We're living in a world where artificial intelligence is advancing at a rapid pace, sparking a wave of excitement and concern simultaneously. Tech leaders like the renowned Geoffrey Hinton and Elon Musk have voiced their anxieties about AI evolving beyond our control. Warnings are being issued about AI's potential to outdo human intelligence and possibly take over. Critical issues are coming to light, such as job automation, biased algorithms, and the frightening prospect of autonomous weaponry. Let's dig a little deeper into some real-life instances illustrating these dangers. Remember the Philippines election? A seemingly harmless app played a darker role than any of us could have imagined. TikTok, an app known for its viral dances and lip-syncing challenges, became an instrument of social manipulation. Its powerful algorithms, designed to understand and predict user behavior, were exploited to sway public opinion. This is a stark illustration of how artificial intelligence can be used to manipulate societies on a large scale. Instead of being used to entertain or inform, the AI in TikTok was utilized to distort reality and create a narrative that suited certain political interests. This misuse of technology extends beyond TikTok and the Philippines. AI-generated misinformation and deepfakes pose a serious threat to media and news credibility globally. Deepfakes, hyper-realistic AI-generated videos, can make it seem as though anyone is saying anything. In a world where seeing is no longer believing, the truth is becoming harder and harder to discern. Moreover, the algorithms that power these platforms are often opaque, meaning that the average user has no way of knowing why they're being shown certain content. This lack of transparency fuels the potential for manipulation. As we entrust our digital lives to algorithms we don't understand, the misuse of AI doesn't stop at manipulating elections. It reaches into our private lives as well. Imagine a world where your every move is monitored and recorded. Sounds like a dystopian novel, right? But it's happening right now. In China, for instance, facial recognition technology is widespread. It's used for everything from law enforcement to everyday transactions, but this convenience comes with a price. Our privacy is at stake. With AI and facial recognition, our faces become our IDs, our passwords. They're as unique as our fingerprints, and they're out there, accessible to whoever has the right tools. But it doesn't stop there. It's not just about who's watching, it's about who's interpreting. AI bias is a real concern. Algorithms are trained on data, and if that data is biased, the AI will be too. It's like a mirror reflecting the inequalities of our society. And let's not forget the potential for misuse. In the hands of authoritarian regimes, AI becomes a tool for control and manipulation. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? Our very identities, our privacy used as a means to an end. These are just a few examples. The potential dangers of AI are vast and varied. So, where does this leave us? In the face of such potential threats, what can we do? Well, the answer isn't simple, but it's certainly not impossible. It's about recognizing the power in our hands and taking active steps to ensure we're using it wisely. AI is evolving at an unprecedented rate, and with its growth, the onus is on us to regulate its development and use. This isn't just about shutting down the systems that pose a risk. It's about creating a framework within which AI can operate safely and effectively. It's about ensuring that these systems are held to the same ethical standards as their human counterparts and that they're accountable for their actions. Transparency and explainability in AI algorithms are crucial. They're like the headlights of a car in the dark, illuminating the path ahead. Without them, we're driving blind, and that's a risk we can't afford to take. We need to know how these systems are making decisions, what data they're using, and how they're applying it. We need to be able to question their judgment just as we would a human's. But it's not just about controlling the technology, it's about adapting to it. McKinsey predicts that by 2030, up to 30% of jobs in the US could be automated. This isn't just a threat, it's a call to action. We need to equip ourselves with the skills to thrive in this new landscape. Whether it's learning to code, understanding data analysis, or simply becoming more tech-savvy, it's about staying relevant in an ever-changing world. Let's not forget, professions like law and accounting are also at risk of being disrupted by AI. It's not just about manual labor, it's about cognitive tasks too. It's a wake-up call for all of us to constantly learn, grow, and adapt. AI is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it can either build or destroy. It's up to us to ensure it's used responsibly. After all, we're the creators of this technology, and it's our responsibility to control it, not the other way around.